How to remove the second row seats in the 2008 Honda Minivan Odyssey. The first thing you want to do is move the front seat forward using this right here. Hold it forward. You don't have to have the key on. It'll move forward. Alright, get that out of your way. The second thing you want to do is find the right lever to do it. Now this lever right here really only moves the seat forward for people to get in and out of the back right there. So that's not the lever you want. This lever right here pulls the seat down, and that's good, but that's not the lever you want. The lever you want is right under here. Reach around this corner and you'll feel a little tab. I don't know if I can get it good, but anyway, it's right there, and you pull that out. Pull that out right there. Let's see. Alright, and then that will allow you to fold the seat up and get it out of the way. So pull that. There's a bar under there, and all that does is slide it back and forth also. So don't worry about that bar. Let's see. Now, I'm holding this tab down right here that I just showed you. I'm going to lean it forward, and then we've got to figure out how to, all right, it just rocks off of those pedestals. So if you're looking at the underside here, these little notches go into these bars down on the floor right here, these metal bars, and that way you can move it to the inside or the outside. Now I'm doing a deep cleaning, and so that's why I'm moving my seats out today. Now you can just roll the seats on out. They're not extremely heavy, so you can usually lift them or roll them out onto the ground and get busy cleaning. Thanks for watching, YouTube.